ladies and gentlemen. Tony Blackman here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. We're evaluating this deal, single family residence, Akron, Ohio. Just gonna do a quick walkthrough. Property definitely is gonna need some work. I take this would be dining room. Looks like we got some mold there. Yeah, this property's pretty much going to need a full rehab. So really just wanted to kind of let you guys know that we'll look at any house in any condition. So if you're thinking about selling a house in the Akron, Canton area or any surrounding suburbs in those cities, definitely give us a call, 330-685-2220. Or just visit the website, www.investparamount.com.